This 3-in-1 leather cleaner wipes pack is a product I purchased myself, and in this video I'm showing you how they performed on my leather couch. To start, I show the condition of my couch before cleaning. With 2 young kids in the house, it's seen its fair share of spills. There were dried milk spots, everyday messes, and general dirt that had built up over time, so it was definitely ready for a good cleaning. Before cleaning the entire couch, I start by testing the wipes on one section. As I wipe down that area, you can see the difference almost immediately. It does a great job lifting the dirt and grime from leather. According to the manufacturer, these wipes are designed to clean, condition, and restore shine, and each container includes 75 extra large 8x10-inch wipes. One thing I want to mention is that I had read a review from someone who said they cleaned their entire love seat with a single wipe. That wasn't my experience. I needed more than one wipe to clean my couch, but the wipe stayed moist, held up well, and still cleaned really effectively. With 75 wipes in the container, I still feel like they'll last me a long time. Another reason I felt comfortable using them is that my husband does leather working, so I had him look over the ingredient list before I used them. He approved of the ingredients, which gave me extra confidence using them on our furniture. At the end of the video, I show the couch after I finished cleaning the entire thing. It looked so much better than when I started, and I was really happy with the overall results. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with these leather wipes. They made a noticeable difference on my couch. They're thick and durable, and they're a convenient way to clean and maintain leather furniture without a complicated cleaning process.